Mason's got a rock in his impeller right now. So, oh man, this mud is thick too. Gotta put it on the vlog. If it blows the wear ring out, we're gonna have to tow it. We've been out here today polishing up the ski, trying to get some of this plastic back in order. It's really faded. You can see like right here I missed some spots, didn't want to get down in the water, but using this Ultimate Black by Meguiar's, and it's actually doing pretty good. Like this here, you can see that really cleaned up. That looks amazing. And then like there's other spots that I haven't done, like underneath here you can see it's really faded. So yeah, try to get this thing back. All this is faded here. I did a little bit of this, but we'll eventually get this whole ski done. It's looking pretty good. We're out here at this dock and boat ramp, and we're about to go to the Ohio River, and then we're gonna go down a little bit, go hit a creek, and kind of do some more creek run today. Oh man, this is nasty. It's a long way to get there. All right, we found a sandy little beach area here, and it's better than nothing. So we've beached the skis. We're gonna take lunch. That's awesome. Really?
There's no way that's private.
Nobody owns that.
It's in the middle of the river.
What? All right, we found a creek here that's a little earlier than the one we were going to try, which is down that way, but we'll try this one and see what happens. It's like right here coming across. It gets thin, but if we want to try, we can.
The what?
It gets thin, but it's all mud.
Yeah.
You want to try?
We can.
Okay.
Is this the right way?
Yeah. No. We want to go the other way, but we can try this and see where it goes.
Oh my god, I'm doing this. Well, the spot we just came racing through is pretty shallow. And Mason's got a rock in his impeller right now. So, oh man, this mud is thick too.
Here, look out, look out. I don't want to get stuck or we're done for. If we can get it out to thicker water, we'll work on it. Well, I got out of there because of how thin it is, and Mason's still got a rock in his impeller that he can't get out. So he's able to idle, and he's idling his way out of this creek back behind me. But folks, this is what the subscribe button's for, if you want more of this stuff and our shenanigans. So we're a long way from home, and we're gonna figure out how to get out of here. Gotta put it on the vlog. If it blows the wear ring out, we're gonna have to tow it. He got the rock free after a few minutes of trying to get it. Good work. All right, I'm gonna run down the creek real quick and just see what else is there. Well, I'm glad Mason got the impeller free from that rock, because last year I did the same thing in a creek, and I ruined a brand new impeller and blew out my wear ring entirely, had to get towed back. So, well, we're on our way back to the Ohio. Restaurant on the water. Seeing if it's open. Not open. We got back to the dock here, and Mason just checked out. There's still a stick inside his impeller or something, but it turns out that on his Yamaha it's actually a metal wear ring, it looks like, from what we can tell. So the only damage is just a little bit of dings to the impeller, so you got away pretty lucky with that one, but he'll be on the water another day.